Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to go live on TikTok without showing your face on camera. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now press on the plus button where you post your videos from on TikTok. Press to live and then press on live right there. After reaching this page, make sure you press on effects right here. Now the moment you press on effects, make sure that you press on green screen right here. Press on green screen. Now guys, make sure that you choose this effect right here. Make sure that you choose this effect right there. And after pressing on that effect, it will take you to your gallery, your photos. You can see your photos are right here. And make sure you choose that photo you would like to be your TikTok background so that you don't show your face on camera. If the photo you want doesn't appear from here, make sure you press on the plus sign right there so that it takes you to your gallery to choose any photo of your choice. And this is how it will look like. And then press on go live right here. Press on go live right there. But make sure that you turn on the back camera, because if you flip to the front camera, your face will be appearing on the front of this picture you have added. So make sure that the back camera is turned on. That's how guys you can go live on TikTok without showing your face on camera with a photo. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one.